ordinary world, an ordinary kid can pretend to be an extraordinary hero. Where's Spider-Man?
Hey, did somebody say Spider-Man? I'm watching you.
Now you can pretend to have Spider-Man powers with Spider-Man Homecoming Hero Gear. Spider Sight Mask, Rapid Reload Blaster, and Webwing Set, each sold separately.
And he's twice the size of everyone else.
So you're saying Ant-Man isn't a powerful?
What we do know is that we have reports of power service disruption all over the
Jonathan,
city.
this is Friday.
Jonathan, it's your phone.
Please respond. Welcome to the pilot training program. You are being entrusted with one of Stark Industries' latest mini drones. Mini drone online. Power level 100%. This mini drone is equipped with a high-resolution camera. There's no time to waste. Hostile forces are closing in on your area. Hurry!
Here it is, our next offering in the Marvel Legends premium roleplay line, Thor's Mighty Mjolnir. The hammer is theatrically inspired and over 19 inches long. Going through the design process, we set out to include intricate detailing in the runes as well as applying premium deco. We extended the theatrical detail into the die-cast pommel and the leather-like strap. The hammer features motion-activated lightning and thunder effects. When Thor was banished by Odin, Odin spoke to Mjolnir, and his symbol appeared. And he said, "Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor." And that inspired this electronic feature. By saying the correct phrase, the Odin symbol will appear. Thor. Thanks for checking out this Marvel Legends Designer Desk.
My name is Aristu. We've been working on making Dr. Octopus arms. When I was 8 years old, I went to Comic-Con, and I remember just how fun it was and just how cool it was seeing all the costumes and those, and thinking just then I could make something as cool as that, and then I thought I could make it cooler.
Aristu came to me and said he wanted to build a working Dr. Octopus. If you guys don't know, Dr. Octopus is Dr. Octopus Spider-Man 2. He's got 4 mind-controlled tentacles which can do some pretty awesome things.
There's still, we can't get, every motor that was strong enough to make them really close was too heavy and it wouldn't support in the end. That's just really. Look at that photo up there. Basically, what was happening is that because they're cups, they were collapsing. So on these ones, we filled them in, but we basically put just a casting ready in the top part.
Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 Series Vacuum Cleaning Robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 Series is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization, the Roomba 900 Series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface, working non-stop, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system helps the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experience of over 13 million Roomba owners. The Roomba takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. Cleaner floors throughout your entire home, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.